Welcome, traders, to our cutting-edge platform for cryptocurrency trading. We're thrilled to introduce you to CryptoRunner, our game-changing AI-powered trading bot that's set to redefine how you engage with the crypto market. In this video, we're diving deep into the heart of our platform, showcasing its advanced algorithms and user-friendly interface. Get ready for a journey into the future of trading. Now head over to cryptorunner.com and launch the app with this button. This is your command center, your centralized hub for accessing vital information and resources. Here, you have the ability to stay informed about the latest daily changes, refer to the comprehensive user manual for guidance, familiarize yourself with our time cycles, and reach out to our dedicated support team for assistance. With this robust platform at your disposal, you're equipped to navigate the CryptoRunner landscape with ease and efficiency. Embark on your journey with CryptoRunner by initiating the process through the Connect Your Wallet button. Experience seamless integration with a plethora of wallet options, including MetaMask, Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and many more. Upon connecting your wallet, CryptoRunner provides real-time visibility into your BNB and ETH balances, alongside the generated profits accompanied by corresponding percentages. On the right side, you can easily track the generated referral bonuses from the individuals you've referred using your unique code. This comprehensive dashboard empowers you to effortlessly monitor the performance of your investments and the impact of your referral network, ensuring informed decision-making and optimal management of your cryptocurrency portfolio. And don't forget to support a friend or creator by adding their referral code right here. Further down, you can track the current market situation in general with the current top cryptocurrencies. Now let's get to how to start to earn returns. For this, head to the deposit section. Here you can enter the amount that will be deposited. After confirmation, it will take around 30 minutes before the deposit is displayed in the UI. Between this point and the cycle start at 12 a.m. UTC, your assets will be on hold. After that, your provided funds will become eligible for returns generated by CryptoRunner. When you're ready to withdraw your funds, simply navigate to the withdrawal section. Enter the desired withdrawal amount and click on the Request Withdrawal button to initiate the process. An important note, it's advisable to execute the withdrawal at the end of a cycle to ensure that any changes occurring during the current cycle are applied to your balance. Otherwise, you will receive the currently displayed amount credited to your connected wallet, potentially missing out on updated profits. Generally, withdrawals are executed after the start of the new cycle, but they can be processed earlier if possible.